English media they hit joy.
At present, dear honorable guest and other person who are present on this occasion, please take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. My classmates and my juniors, please take my dearest love. Today we have gathered on this occasion. We are going to sit for the SSC exam this year. We are very happy because we are read from Gosing at last 5 years. We are very happy because we are coaching students. If we any forgive, please sir forgive us and pray for us. If we can fail in the exam better result, I want to my advice no more link them. So because please pray for us everybody. Thank you.